Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated by the people of India every year on 26 January. On 26 January 1950, our constitution came into effect and our country became a republic nation. The drafting committee of the constitution formed on 29th August 1947 under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Drafting committee presented the draft constitution to its president Dr. Rajendra Prasad on 26 November 1949 and later it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution and he traveled around the world to gain insights from the Constitution. On this day, we remember Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of our Constitution and the freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and many more. Republic means we can choose our leaders by voting. The Constitution of India is for the people, of the people and by the people, which makes India a republic country. On Republic Day, our President hoists the national flag at the Rajpath, New Delhi. Republic Day is celebrated as a 3-day festival starting from 26th to 29th of January and ends with the beating retreat ceremony. This day is celebrated as a national festival. Contingents from all the 3 wings of the armed forces march in sync with the tune of their bands in the Republic Day parade at Rajpath. The country also showcases its military capabilities to the world through most modern arms and weapon systems. Republic Day celebration paints the country into tricolor of patriotism, peace and prosperity. States showcase their rich cultural and religious heritage through their tableaus and folk songs and dances in the parade. The President of India awards bravery medals to the soldiers. Our national flag is hoisted proudly on this day and we sing our national anthem. India also invites a chief guest from the foreign countries to witness the grand celebration of the event. Republic Day is a celebration for the country's transition towards becoming a democratic republic. It reminds us of the need for self-rule and the ordeal our freedom fighters have gone through for attaining it. We should tell our younger generation about the past of our nation so that they can have a plan for a better India. I love my country and I am proud of it. I will try to become a good citizen. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.